Hey guys, in today's video, just going to be showing you kind of high-speed run through the Coin Bureau trading channel, and specifically this most recent video, because I don't do TA on my channel. I am not the TA guru, you guys know that, but I do definitely listen and watch others like Gareth Soloway and Coin Bureau Trading here and a few others, because crypto, stock, basically all these patterns are just a way to analyze subjectively, objectively, human emotion, right? And make best of what the data is showing you. And the reason I bring this up is because this is a contrarian view for right now. Well, actually, I guess with fear and greed being in the middle, there's people on both sides of the coin. So I would say most in general Bitcoin hardcore Bitcoiners, orange-pilled enthusiasts believe that Bitcoin is still going up further from here. But the question is not a matter of if, but like when and how much downward pressure will we see in the meantime. So that's where Aaron Dishner comes in, because he's showing right now that there is a bull flag set up with bearish divergence and bearish engulfing candles. Three different patterns that have happened over the last couple of weeks. So the fact that Bitcoin has been rejected at this this level, like 106, 107, and even now Bitcoin price is much lower, it could mean that we could go lower from here before we bounce higher. And that just means if you're doing like me, stacking sats, dollar cost averaging every day, you'll just be able to get some cheap Bitcoin. We've already seen, can I pull this up real quick? I don't know if it'll pull up really quick, but there was barely back down. Yes, cool. Back down to the hundreds. Got this on the monthly. It was like 99 and some change, and it barely stayed there. Just barely touched there, I should say, most recently. So that is possible to come back. Where were we at? Is it here? Yeah, this day. So just a week and some change ago, we had hit that level. And I was in the camp and telling you guys that I think the hundreds is the new 70s for this cycle. Last cycle, we hit 70 multiple times, like high 60s, low 70s, traded in that range. We broke above it, or I'm sorry, broke below it, then hit it again, low it, hit it again. And now I believe that this 100 range is like that new opportunity. So if you can get 5-digit Bitcoin, consider yourself lucky. So the main TLDR is, yeah, check out this channel and you'll get some more TA information. But the simple way is that you have some buy orders in, because you might get lucky and get some sub 100K Bitcoin. And I don't believe it will stay there for long. There is too many catalysts built up right now, too many Bitcoin treasury companies, too much need for liquidity in the markets, global M2, like all these different things. So even if there's short-term volatility, which there always is, don't let that shake you out of your position. Stay humble, stack sats, and never sell your Bitcoin, self-custody your Bitcoin. If you're going to leverage it with a loan, take a trusted third party like Ledden, something to that effect. But the best thing you can do is just keep stacking Bitcoin, because eventually this will become a force to reckon with globally, and probably our new globally recognized, what do you call that? Independent monetary tradable asset across the board, reserve currency, I wanted to say. So I think that day is indeed coming sooner rather than later. So you're going to definitely look at this right now and be like, I wish I would have got Bitcoin at 100K. I wish I would have got it at 98K. So don't be that person. So until next time, lift daily and achieve your impossible. See ya.